So this is my morning skincare routine. Starting off with a clean face, I'm going to get my hair out of my face so we can dampen my skin, and we're going to apply some vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that works to stimulate collagen production in your skin, helps slow early signs of aging, and prevents sun damage. So I'm just massaging into my skin. I'm going to let it sit there while I make some tea. Next, I'll be using the Mayan Magic Balm, which contains 20% of Tepezcohuite, also known as the skin tree, an ancient indigenous tree extract, also known for its ability to regenerate young skin cells. I'm just topping off with a face oil and I'm done. That's it. That's my skincare routine. I've been doing this skincare routine for the past couple weeks now. It's left my skin softer and brighter because of these two products alone. All of Lavigne natural skincare products feature Tepezcohuite. This is a non-toxic, wild-harvested ingredient that was used by the Mayans. If I only had to pick one, it would be the Vitamin C Serum.